Hello friends and welcome to our channel. I use Snagit for screen recording my videos, and while buying Snagit using Google versus Microsoft Edge, I found something which is worth useful for all my followers, and I thought let me share it here. So all you need to do is go to Microsoft Bing. Bing is another search engine just like Google. You mention Snagit, you go to techsmith.com, you'll be directed to this page. You go in and update your cart. I am already logged in. That's basically why my promo codes has been coming here. So all you need to do is, I was trying to find what was the best promo code out there that I could use. And it's the interesting thing is you don't have to go find anything. Microsoft Edge already finds coupon for you. All I did was try all your coupons, and it tries all the versions of coupons, and whatever is the best coupon applicable for your product, it automatically gets selected by Microsoft Edge. How cool is that? I saved $9.45 for my Snagit just because I used Microsoft Edge for purchasing my software. I found that very helpful and something which could be useful for everyone. And there you go. See here, they use the BRO change promo code. I go to the one which I remember is MM15. It's 50% apply. It automatically gets identified. It seems like there is some bug within the Microsoft Edge. So I remembered that MMB15 is the one which gave me $9.45. So I just click that, and now you go ahead and check out, and I was able to get $9.45 off using this coupon, all because I used Microsoft Edge for my purchase. Hope you found this video helpful, and for more such tricks, don't forget to follow us, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.